Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll show you how you can change password on Instagram if you have forgotten it. For that, first of all, let's go ahead and simply open Instagram application in your mobile device. And once you have opened it up, you want to go ahead and simply log in to your account. Once logged in, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap on this three dot icon. Now inside here, simply tap on account center. Inside account center, go ahead and simply tap on password and security. And once you're inside here, tap on change password. Then choose your Insta account. Now go ahead and tap on forgot your password. Like that, an email is sent to you on your email address. Go ahead and simply open up your Gmail and then tap on reset password. Just like that, type in your new password and then retype it again. Once done, tap on reset password. Well, that's simply how you can change your password on Instagram if you have forgotten it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.